This is the Lake Arrowhead Woods Real Estate Market Report for June of 2024. My name is Jonathan Viero with Team Lake Arrowhead and Prime Properties. And in this video, we're going to go over the major market changes for Lake Arrowhead Woods. So for the month of June, we really saw the summer season take its full effect with a fresh supply of new homes on the market and the summer buying beginning. Really, home values did see a little bit of a correction and come down a bit as we had an overall slow economic activity and transactions for the month of June. Right now, the average sales price in Lake Arrowhead Woods for a single-family house is $915,000, and that's really just a decrease because of the decrease in home sales. And the average home price in Lake Arrowhead from May was up at $1,015,000, and that was because of a lot of those luxury homes were selling, so that propped up the average. So typically during this summer season, we see a peak in home values due to buyers' activity just increased in the summer. But this year we've really seen a little bit of a limited buyer demand as those interest rates have still put a lot of downward pressure on the market in general. So that decrease in demand has just been ongoing since in 2023. We saw those interest rates hike up a bunch as the end of pandemic momentum also kind of slowed down for the mountains. So homeowners are really needing to negotiate more on price to attract buyers and get a deal. And today's market conditions are providing actually a great opportunity for buyers because there's plenty of opportunities and the homes that they are shopping for are needing to be more fair with prices. So that's great for buyers. And we can expect really the continuation of this slow and kind of steady decrease in home values really up until interest rates decrease dramatically, hopefully later this year or early next year as the Fed has promised. But right now we're heading into July and we're seeing an increase in pending listings, so this could change and we could see home values increase for this summer. So right now we had for the end of June we had only 14 homes that were under contract, and that is down from 2023 when we had 32 in the month of June, and in 2022 we had 34. So we have about half as much activity as we had in the previous years, and that's still again just really because of the high interest rates and just economic uncertainty that is affecting our buyer pool. And a lot of these buyers are just choosing to sit on the sideline or wait and be patient for that perfect home. We had 19 closings in June with an average days on market of 35. Those homes that did sell quickly because the month previously in May, homes were sitting on the market much more longer. So it seems that, 14 houses sold very quickly, and it really came down to what type of amenities they offered and what type of price they were at, price point, because the nature of our vacation home buyer in Lake Arrowhead are really particular. They're also very patient, so they're willing to wait for the perfect home to come on the market at the right price, then rather just buy whatever's on the market right now. So they're very patient. So right now we have 304 active listings in Lake Arrowhead Woods for single family. And inventory has just been increasing a little bit each month. And about this time of year, we do see the peak of inventory. So we can anticipate that it might stay at the same level or increase a little bit. And likely in the fall, it does come back down. So inventory is just growing, so that just means that prices are going to need to be also more fair to attract buyers to beat the competition out. 30-year fixed rate mortgages right now for June, it was an average of 6.92%. Rates have been pretty much in the 7.25% and 7.5% range since January of 2024. So pretty much this whole year, it's kind of just been floating stagnant. And these high rates have put pressure on buyers, particularly for vacation home markets. So primary residence markets across the nation have seen a lot more stability and a lot more growth than vacation markets have, just because the necessary of someone needing a place to live. But vacation secondary markets are much more sentimental, and we don't see as much activity when the market has a little bit of stress in it. So Rates are expected to decrease towards the end of this year and into 2025, so we just hope that it's significant and it prompts up a lot of activity for the real estate market. So that's the Lake Arrowhead Woods real estate market report. To summarize, our market is in the season full swing as we continue into June. Buyer demand is relatively slow right now, and that's forced homeowners to be fair and lower the prices, or just a lot of them are just not putting their home on the market and they're just waiting for different conditions. All in all, we can see a bump of activity hopefully in July as we see new pendings as new homes get put on the market, and those buyers that have been waiting get out there and shop and find their dream home. The luxury market is still kind of moving forward. We have a low inventory of lakefront homes, so that does mean that the ultra affluent luxury market is really still in that seller's market. So if you would like to get more real estate insights, sign up for my email list. Just click the link in my bio to get the full report every single month. Stay tuned for more real estate updates for Lake Arrowhead and other markets and other things. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.